Unang alam kaliang Persya o Dr. Mukul sangma haka khandai tarik unok pra uloong baka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya baka Sorkar jilla ka don hok ban Ujor mukut dema Persya yau national spokesperson ka AITC u Saket go khali Halor ka Jingkynnoh bamsap Hynrei ha ka juk opor ka deiru ban pensyai bat pen I yak Sakhi la rakam don ka jing bamsap ka ban reus pa lai pu arklor lemba ka Meghalaya Ecotourism Infrastructure Development Project bapenyai da ka Meghalaya age limit habakran bagi lap sai khubor u Dr. Mukul uloong balada ka Sorkar MDA ka kwa ban pin shisha ba kamdam kata ka jingsha kno ka de ban pin biang yak Sakhi Halor kane.
You will have to see that, okay, they come clean in the first instance on the alleged allegations. They have to first come clean. And we will look at other legal means of getting those whole inputs, whatever is required to be put in the public domain to give complete clarity on the issues, to ensure transparency. And government must come clean. If allegations are there, do they want to hide behind this legal intervention that they're looking at? But I'm telling you, truth prevails, and therefore they remain exposed in the days to come.
But the government has claimed that there is no corruption at all in the implementation of that eco-tourism development project.
You know, the overall response of the government pertaining to any instance of alleged irregularity, instances of alleged corruption, encompassing different departments. What was the response of the government all along? The government has always been on a denial mode. Look at one angle. What is the observation of the Honorable High Court pertaining to the illegal coal mining? You see? But these are something which are only the tip of the iceberg, as I've said. The government has always been on a denial mode on these kind of allegations. Similarly, in regard to every instance of alleged irregularity or allegation, government has always been on a denial mode. What is surprising in this? Nothing is surprising here. This was expected, anticipated, that the government will always be on a denial mode. That's the reason why we are saying, come out, let us have this Agni Pariksha. Let there be investigation by independent agencies so that you are able to come out clean and you clear yourself from all these allegations. That's what is expected of our policymakers. We must ensure that the people have reasons to believe, trust and confidence on the policymakers. That can happen only when the government come out clean through a proper investigation.